From the pandemic time, the short answer is the cash is king. We lost 85% from our revenue just like this on 13th of March 2020, and our revenue were around 2 million euros per day. But the costs were still there. So liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. And I think that in that case, also the investors understood very well that why we are not able to pay out the dividend on 2020, even we were planning to do it before the pandemic came. It was more important to survive and come through this crisis with the minimum losses as possible. So if you having such kind of situation where you lose actually almost all your revenue, you need to start to think from where you will get the liquidity. And we were actually successful, even more. We got more than we needed, but it was kind of like guarantee because we didn't, or insurance, we didn't know how long this lasts. So you need to start thinking about the liquidity as soon as possible when something like this happens. Exactly after the COVID end, we had biggest profit in Tallink history, almost 80 million euros. So if there coming pandemic and you think that now it's the end, no, it can be also the success story for the future.